Hello guys, how are you? You're welcome to my channel. It's your girl Jennifer, and if you're new here, you are welcome to the family, and if you're not new here, you are blessed, and I want to say thank you for returning to my channel. So guys, for today's video, it's just going to be short and simple. So literally, I just want to show you how to apply a fake lashes, which is also called false lashes. I know there's tons of video out there of how to apply lashes. There's different way of how to apply lashes. Yeah, so I don't think I've showed this in my video or in my channel, I don't know. So I want to show you my way of applying false lashes. A lot of people love false lashes. It's kind of like it brings out the whole makeup, the face out. It makes it different. It accentuates the look. So you will actually need a false lashes. There's so many types of false lashes out there. There's NIKON lashes, there's 3D, there is Whipsy, etc. So I have tons of lashes, but it's two types that I can show you right now, because the rest I don't know everything. Voila. So with these lashes, they're very long, thick and lengthy. I like lashes with a band that is very thick, not very thin, because when it's too thin I find it difficult to control, and when it's thick I can control it very well, okay, with a thick band. So I think I'm gonna use this one. Yeah, it's just because of this tutorial. This is very like a dramatic eyelashes. So there's some lashes that can look like your real lashes, and there's some lashes that can look like so colored, feathered, detailed, glitterish lashes. You can also customize your lashes by coloring them to your eye look or to your clothing. It just depends, but the standard lashes comes with black. So yeah, and with your lashes you also want to have a lash glue to go with it. There's so different type of lash glue out there, white, black, blue or so, but it's the one that can like fix your lashes in place for like hours, but it's not the one that can permanently fix your lashes in your eye that you probably need a surgery to take it out. Okay, no, so you have to be careful of what type of eyelash glue to use for your fake lashes. And also you can use Bondi glue, but I wouldn't advise it really. I once was using a Bondi glue, okay, let me put it out there. So it depends on the type of Bondi glue, not the very strong one. So literally I'm not advising you to use a Bondi glue, but some people prefer something that's affordable to them, okay. So the lash glue I will be using, this is from House of Lashes and in shade black. I really love this glue so much. It's very easy to apply, it's quick to get tacky, and you know, you can apply the lashes and it just glue and dry your fake lashes to your eyelashes like so good, and there's no reaction to it. Everyone's skin is different. First things first, before you apply your lashes, you want to make sure you're wearing mascara. It's optional, but just to actually limit your lashes color from the fake lashes, because the fake lashes is really a very thick, dense black lashes, and if your own lashes is not really as that thick and black as that, sometimes you can see the difference between the lashes you're wearing and your natural lashes on. Or sometimes when you apply an eyeshadow or baking powder, whatever, it kind of transfer to our own lashes, like natural lashes. So if you don't put a black mascara to kind of remove those colored or dusty makeup from your own natural lashes, and you apply a fake one, so you wouldn't see the beauty of it. So that's why it's good to wear a mascara, but again, it's optional. So I'm gonna be using the Urban Decay mascara, bigger blacker border mascara, just to come up my lashes. You can look down, I'm having a mirror right here, so just looking down to make sure I see my lashes. When it comes to mascara, you just have to be careful and kind of like still for some minutes so that you don't have a mess up of your face, especially if you've done your makeup before your mascara. Oh, you don't want to start all over again, do you? Okay, I think this is zoomed enough, so we're gonna work with this right now. I actually had to go like way back for this lens to work on my eyes because I'm using a zoom lens. It's kind of like literally auto-focusing quite often, and I'm finding it difficult to just stay still. So this is gonna be a very challenging eye shot, but I'm gonna try and give it my best. So like I said before, you want to make sure you apply your mascara, which I did say I'm using the Urban Decay mascara. You know, you want to make sure you pause for a while. You can wait for it to dry a little bit, then you go ahead to apply your lashes. So things you need to apply your lashes could be a tweezer, a lash applicator, or you can use your hand as part of a tool. So I am going to be using a tweezer to apply my lashes, and I'll at some point use my hand to kind of massage the lash into my eyes. So this is the tweezer I'm going to be using. It's a very angular tweezer. Yeah, you've seen it on my video a couple of times. I've used this before, so this is very good. It takes the lashes, put it to areas I want it to. It's very detailed angular lash tweezer. For this technique I'm going to be using today, I am just going to apply the lash glue right onto my eyelash line area for a few seconds, and I go ahead and apply my lashes. This is another technique I find very easy to do. You want to make sure you're careful so you don't apply the lash glue on your lashes, but sometimes you can't even avoid it, you know. So apply your lash glue as if you are applying a liquid liner to your eyeline, to your lash line, I mean. You want to take your lashes, like I said, I'm using the angular tweezer, and right on top go onto the glue you just applied and fix it with the tweezer. The amount of glue I applied on my lashes or my lash line is quite a lot, and you want to make sure you use your tweezer to press the lashes right in. That is our lash done. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. So the old-fashioned way of applying these lashes is to apply your lash glue on the band of your, so you want to wait for a few seconds to like get tacky or kind of hair dry. You look down on that mirror and apply close to your lash line. So there you have it, guys. That is how to apply your fake lashes to your lash line. This is the zoomed out, the finished eye look. I did this eye with the lazy way by applying the lash glue straight to my lash line. Let it there for like 2 seconds and go ahead with my fake lashes. And while this one, I apply the lash glue to the fake lashes. Then after 10 seconds, apply straight to my lash line. So it's still gonna stay there in the eye, but it's just a different way to apply your fake lashes. Okay, So both feels comfortable. It's all depending on the lashes you're using. You can see how lashes kind of complement this look, try and make this look all complete. Without the lashes, the face kind of feel a bit left out, hidden. The hair is kind of like hidden, like you cannot see literally anything, especially if you have a hooded eyes. Lashes always have a different in makeup. Without lashes, I don't think a makeup is complete. Fake lashes is a necessity for those of you who are into makeup, or beginner or no beginner or whatever. So you get what I mean. You see how I'm looking all cute with these lashes on, okay, compared to when I started this tutorial. Personally, based on my mood, I prefer both. I feel like this is just a quick way to just get out of the door, apply your lash glue, and that's it. You call it a day. This is also like, okay, I'm gonna try and do this, and I haven't done this before. So yeah, without further ado, I just want to say thank you guys very much for making it through to the end of this tutorial. If you do enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up, like this video, subscribe to the channel, click on that notification bell icon, watch my previous video, and I will see you whenever I upload. And leave your comment below on your thoughts on this lash applicator tutorial and what do you think. And until then guys, I will see you in my next video. I want you to take care of yourself. Do you, be you, do good, be nice to others as well, and peace out.